everyone, what's good you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Tia and I make lifestyle related content on my channel. So if that is something you enjoy watching, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and it's gonna be a haul video, that is an Amazon haul video. So for those of you who are interested to watch haul videos and जिसको home decors पसंद है ये सब ये वो उसको ये वीडियो बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है. So before we start, subscribe to my channel. This is my Instagram handle. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first one which I got is this particular tea letter, and the best part is you can actually lit this up and it's battery operated. So turn off all the lights, lit this up and place it on the table or wherever you feel comfortable or you want to, and it will add a whole new vibe to your room. Like wait, let me show you. You can actually lit this up. Wait, can you see that? And you can get all the 26 alphabets are available in the Amazon, and don't forget to check the links in the description box because I'm going to be providing all the links of all the purchases that I made. So keep an eye on my description box as well. So the next one, I got two things from Miniso, which is their adhesive clips, this one, and a set of two scented candles. Rough surface में ये अच्छे से चिपक जाएगा, लेकिन smooth surface में ये अच्छे से नहीं चिपकेगा, so it will fall off. And ये थोड़ा मेरे को महंगा पड़ा, which I regret buying. 190 rupees for a adhesive clip is not worth it. And that too for these, like वो हर जगह पे नहीं चिपकेगा, which is quite obvious. So I regret buying these clips. The second one which I got from Miniso are these two candles. So I got it in a pack of 2 and each pack contains 6 candles, and the scent is and the fragrance is awesome. Like the fragrance is too good because I haven't lit it up yet, but बाहर से खुशबू इतना सुंदर आ रहा है that I cannot even tell you how good it is. The shape of the candles are, you can actually burn it for 4 freaking hours, and the shape of these candles are heart shaped, which I absolutely love. Can you see that? It's heart shaped. They're so cute and so pretty. The next one which I got is these digital clock from Amazon. Yes, it's 7:32 right now. मैं सुबह के 7 बजे ये video film कर रही हूँ. I got the white one because I thought it would go well with my desk. And इसमें बहुत सारे features भी है. Apart from just time, you can set the alarm, you can set the date, and also you can check the temperature. And snooze का options भी है, which is not a good option to give. बस snooze का options नहीं रहना चाहिए. Okay, anyway, and you can actually light it up. If अंधेरे में आपको time नहीं दिख रहा होगा, अगर आपका table में ये रखा हुआ है, you can actually like press this and you can see the time. So it's 7:33 AM right now. The next one I got is this metal grid. I will insert the picture over here जो मैं यहाँ पे चिपकाया है. I will insert the picture over here how it looks. And the metal grid comes with those paper clips which has names of the weeks written on it, like Monday to Friday, I guess. Yes, Saturday Sunday का नहीं है, it's Monday to Friday, and you can actually use it as a planner. Like you can write down your to-do lists and put it up there. आपका आंखों के सामने हो कि आपको आज क्या क्या करनी है, आज का to-do lists ये है, so you can actually use it as a planner, which is a great thing. So it is a year from my side. The next one which I got is this gorilla tripod. Of course ये home decor तो नहीं है, but just because I got it from Amazon, I thought of including it in this video. So it became a lifesaver for me because it is so freaking useful that I can mount my phone anywhere I want to, in any angles I want to, because ये ऐसे you can rotate it, twist it up. इसके ऊपर बहुत torture कर सकते हो like this. So it has become a literally lifesaver for me because I wanted to get some shots from different angles, but हो नहीं पा रहा था because of my phone, because of my tripod. The next one which I got are these cushion covers. Cushion covers like this one. It came in a pack of 3 like this one. and especially the middle one is so freaking cute. It has got multiple colors to it, and it will also add a whole new vibe to your room. And what I like about this covers is that it came with a zip, so actually it became more easy for me to use it. You know, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि some cushion covers में ऐसे stitch करनी पड़ती है, so that's boring task for me. So it came with a zip, which I absolutely loved. Okay, the next item which I got, okay, I am sweating as hell क्योंकि पंखा बंद है and यहाँ पे AC नहीं है. ये मेरा I think common dialogue हो गया है हर जगह. पंखा बंद है, AC नहीं है, पंखा बंद है, AC नहीं है. Okay, then I got these two planters. These are so freaking cute and the quality is very nice. ये इतना अच्छा लगा मेरे को, and it came in a pack of 2. I know you guys are gonna buy this one for sure. If you guys don't want to get inspired by anything in this video, I am pretty sure you guys are gonna love this one, and you guys are gonna purchase this one for sure. At least some of you too will purchase this one. I am pretty much sure about that. Absolutely love these two pairs. बहुत पसंद आया मेरे को ये. So it's definitely a year from it. This was a mini haul, okay. I also got some items from Flipkart, which I didn't include in this video because those were from Flipkart. All the purchases that I made are from Amazon, so I thought of including it in this video. So if you like this haul, let me know if you want to see my Flipkart haul as well, because Flipkart से भी मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें मंगवाई है and I am ready to share with you guys. So let me know what you guys think about this haul. If you want a part 2, let me know that as well. And hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did so, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.